Traditional cooking shows, you're stirring this, you're chopping that. Oh, it smells so good. We are not your traditional cooking show. I don't know of any other cooking competition show where women are gonna be cooking in bikinis. It's a healthier approach to food, demonstrating their active lifestyle, and expressing what the bikini chef means to them. There's no other show like it.
I'm from Miami. Of course I got what it takes to win this competition. You see how spicy I am? You already know I come with all the flavors. And in Miami, we get the flour and the bread.
I searched the globe for a diverse blend of experts. Let's meet the team.
I want it either spicier or less spicy. I'm gonna be a little tough. I'm extremely honest.
I'm Christine Kern, one of the celebrity judges for America's Next Bikini Chef.
Chicken can get dry really quick, and then you have to really like soak it in some kind of sauce or something to really give it that good flavor, especially inside of a quesadilla wrap.
Each contestant is going to bring their own culture and cuisine and spices and dishes to the show.
I love the fact that there was like a tiny bit of spiciness to it, because I like a little bit of spicy, not too much.
Right.
Not too much. Yeah, so I really enjoyed the taste of the shrimp, the texture of it, everything. It was really good.
As the Miss International World Supermodel 2021, I noticed that giving back is a very important thing to do when you are a pageant queen.
This has been a fantastic day. Would you agree?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, we're taking the show on the road. I'm Susan Irby, and this is America's Next Bikini Chef.